How to find elements in Canva. So first open up Canva and then just make sure to open up design as well, like this one. Just open up a blank design and then you can just click on elements here at the left side or hover mouse over it, and then here you can already see all of the elements here. Okay, so if you want to find a specific element, let's say we want to find a stickman element, stickman cartoon. So let's type in stickman cartoon and then search, and there you go. Now you have your stickman elements. Or now here you can just choose among the elements, whether it's graphic, photo, video, mockup. You can just click on graphics here, for example, and you can see all of the stickman here. Click on that, and now you have a stickman. So let's say we want to find a gradient overlay. You can just search it up again. Okay, now here, click on all. You can already see all of the gradient overlays here. Now just choose again, whether it's graphics, photos, frames, etc. Okay, so let's say I'm going to choose photos here. You can already see all of the gradient overlays here. Click on one, and there you go. So that's about it. Now you can do that with any kind of specific element that you want to use or you're going to find. Okay, so if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.